He's on. Nice, Emmett. I told you, on the pole. Well done, man. Just don't run right up. Okay, kick him in. Just do a little bit. There we go. We've got Emmett's first ever bream in the canals. Cool. On them poles. So we're sinking these 2.5 inch prawns from Zman down, and just lightly, 1/1/16, just lightly coming down there. And he jumped straight on it, didn't he? Very cool.
I wasn't going to do it then. I was like, oh.
No, we were arguing that. We were like, I said, throw it at the pole, you never know. And just come close with me, just show him. Nice and soft, so that's taking it right down there. You want to hold him? We'll touch him, he's pretty spiky up here.
Oh, no, then.
There you go. See how deep he's got it?
Ooh.
Alright, we'll take that out. So welcome to our episode. Oh, this is what we're doing. We're just fishing the canals with lightly weighted 2.5 inch Zman prawns, and we're chasing brims.
Pooping on you.
Oh, that's alright. We might pick up a few other species, but that's what we're doing. We're just going to have a bit of fun doing that and see how it all goes. Let's get into it.
Oh, I'm on!
Oh, bloody nice.
Does that still count?
Yeah, that counts. We've got a little bit of a bet going. That if Emmett catches 3 fish on the prawn, I'll just press spot lock. Just bring him over here. That he gets a bit of iPad time. iPad card. So there's a nice little flatty. He come up and snaveled that. He hit you once, eh? Oh, and then come back again.
No, he was still on it. I just couldn't tell because it's so small.
That's pretty cool. Another species. No monster, but still. We're just sinking them on a, just let a bit of bail on out for me.
Okay.
So we're just putting these on so you can see on a hidden weight TT jig head. So nice presentation. We put a bit of Procure on there, so we're just skipping them into the pontoons. I'm sure you've seen plenty of that. So it's pretty windy, so we come up to a little area where it's out of the wind so we can get some good casts in with them light jig heads. And he's putting on some more saws. But we'll keep picking along. Hopefully we can pick up a few brim for you. Hard day, eh? Hard day at the office. Well, first day was pretty hard. We got a few fish, but nothing crazy and not a lot of size in there. But we're going to set up a bit of a camp now at the ramp for the night. We're going to get a feed, get something special for Emmett, maybe some KFC or something. We'll try again in the morning. Hopefully, we got it last of the run out in the morning. And then, yeah, the push of the run in, which may be a bit different. See how we go. Interesting day. We'll catch you then. What one? Macca's one? Macca's one. I hate Macca's. Righto, we're up. Emmett's still in the car there, but I'm going to throw the drone up and give you a look. We've got sunrise. And have a look at this cool system. Really low tide this morning. And then we'll get into the fishing. Check it out. Righto, it's a bit cool, but we're back at it. Emmett's got one more fish to get his prize. And I want to catch a few more fish before I've got to get home, so straight back into it again. Fingers crossed, mate, when you get one. Come on. Oh, yeah. Hold up, take it easy. Oh, he's got his third fish straight up. You got options out there. Bring him around here.
Is that
Drop him, bail up. There we go. I've actually seen some of these on the sounder before. How's that? Because you spat it up and come and got it. That little fella should be happy. First cast.
Yeah.
There you go, a little trevally. And I just lost $10 to him. Alright, we'll keep going around. Ooh. $10 gone. Yep, that's good. They're starting to come alive. We've just seen a few mulching up around the bottom of the pontoons. Oh, that's not bad. That's what we're after. Awesome little bream. I'll just put it on spotlight. Well done, mate. We'll get a good look at him. So he's just jumped straight over that. All over that prawn. Awesome. Oh, another one. He's on. Nice, Emmett. How's that? You just let that sit there and swing him up. Oh, that's a cracker. Awesome, dude. Just well, there's your bow arm. There we go, he's on another one. That's your best one of the trip. Oh, if you'd stay still.
I've got one bream, one flathead, and one
trevally.
trevally, and then now another bream.
There you go, look at that. Unreal. Look, just loosen that up a bit. Just let some more. Oh, it's twisted up here. Put the rod tip down. There you go. Cool. We'll get him off, and then I'll just give you a quick little look at what we've been doing. If you're unfamiliar with fishing canals, it can be fun. It can be very frustrating as well, but that's cool little fish. Throw him away. So basically, what we're doing is casting in nice and close to your pontoons, your posts, anything with a little bit of current, and then just letting these prawns just come down nice and flat. And sometimes they hit it straight away. We've had a couple just kind of really soft mouth it, but I think it helps if you just throw it, let it sink, and let the fish come onto it. They'll feel it, it's nice and soft, and they'll commit like that one. So you put a heap of sauce on. A little bit of Procure doesn't hurt either. Alright, we'll keep going. He's done well. Oh, let's take it. We've actually been struggling a little bit to even be able to find them. We might wrap it up on this one. That's a nice bream. He was up in the shallows there. And definitely had a go at that prawn.
Well done.
Sorry, mate?
Well done.
Thank you. Alright, come out here and we'll say goodbye to everybody.
Wait, are we finished?
Come on. So, thanks for watching. Had a bit of fun. He got his prize and, yeah, touch it. If you've got young ones, you just got to watch them on top of the spikes here. Other than that, they're all good. Alright, we'll catch you in the next episode.